Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A very warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 4th, subject English text, topic lesson number 18, Growing Up. Children, today let's learn a poem, Growing Up. There are stages in the life of anything that grows up. Here are two fine poems, and the poet C.J. Dennis tells us about the changes that take place in the life of a frog and a butterfly as they are growing up. Each stage has been beautifully explained. Now let's read and understand. Mr. Thomas Frog. Little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail, for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail, and his mother didn't know him, as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole, but Mr. Thomas Frog. Let's read the next poem, The Butterfly. The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself a chrysalis, and then fell asleep. While she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly, and later when she woke up, she was a butterfly. Now, let's understand the poem Mr. Thomas Frog. Little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail, for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail. Here in this stanza, a little tadpole. Tadpole is a stage in the life of a frog, where first the tadpole has a long tail but no arms or legs, as you can see in this slide. A little tadpole named Tommy is weeping and wailing, means crying loudly and continuously. Now, why is the tadpole crying? Because he lost his tail. Let's read the next stanza. And his mother didn't know him, as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole, but Mr. Thomas Frog. Here in this stanza, the Tommy Tadpole's mother didn't know him when she saw him sitting on a piece of log. Log means wood, and crying. His mother didn't know him means she did not recognize him. Why? She couldn't recognize? For he was no longer a tadpole, a baby frog. He had grown up, and now he was Mr. Thomas Frog. So here we can see that how a tadpole having a tail has changed into a frog. The tail is no more there. The adult frog is without a tail. Now, let's read the next poem, The Butterfly. The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself a chrysalis, and then fell asleep. Here, in this stanza, the fuzzy little caterpillar, fuzzy means covered with soft, fine hair that sticks up, and caterpillar is one of the stage of a butterfly. The larva that emerges from the egg of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. Here, a caterpillar with soft fine hair lay curled up on a leaf. Curled means it moved itself into a round or curved shape up on a leaf. Made herself a chrysalis. Chrysalis too is a stage in the life cycle of a butterfly. It is also called a pupa stage, wherein the caterpillar spins a hard covering around itself and lies in it till it is transformed into a butterfly. This is the stage where it grows to its maximum. Here, the caterpillar prepares a hard covering around herself and then goes to sleep in it. Let's read the next stanza. While she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly, and later, when she woke up, she was a butterfly. Here in this stanza, while she was sleeping, she dreams that she could fly, and when she woke up, she was amazed that she had turned into a butterfly. So we can see that from the chrysalis stage, she turns into a fully grown butterfly. All butterflies go through these stages of growth. We will be meeting soon in the next video, so keep learning something new every day. Thank you.